and dropped his ETA. Broke the window, owner came out, this chopper PTA. Never caught like it, fuck the county, they gon' drop the case.
This bitch a Hellcat. This nigga in my barbershop talking about some he'll drag a Hellcat. Crazy boy. Didn't want to say shit to the Hellcat owner. He wanted to talk to his barber about a Hellcat. Nigga, he didn't want to say nothing to the Hellcat owner, boy. Make a big boy cry today. What's good, SRT Cam family? We just doing some mods to the Hellcat. We in the garage right now because it's raining outside. But we just hooked up our starlights, so now we can finally power them on and off now that we got the car out. Just popped on this spoiler right here. I should have been recording the whole time, but I didn't really think about it too much. I got popped that spoiler on, we got our starlights in, and now we're going for the SRT badge. So I gotta shave a couple of these little clips off because this is meant for like a Charger grill or some shit, or a Challenger grill. So I gotta like grind these little clips off real quick, and then I'm gonna put 3M tape on the back. Hell no, man. What the fuck? This bitch a Hellcat, nigga? This bitch a hell no.
I just raced a nigga and took off on him twice. Peg on the front of the Glock, but I ain't get this off no bike. It's a in it too, but I ain't get it off no dike. We be holding sticks in it.
Check me out, y'all. I'm gonna turn on ambient lighting. And then stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Finally got this shit all together. That John?
I got 3 warrants, 5 different cars, and 3 different states. I need a cab, Brody hit me back and dropped his ETA. Broke the window, owner came